上面。上面。Yeah, take a picture. Have you said cheese?我喺 Costco 食嘢啊！睇下哋食幾支味。Brandon 你食緊咩啊
？Daddy, what this spicy sauce is yellow.
Yeah.
Why should be yellow? Can I try that?
This is 係咩啊？芥辣即係咩啊
Daddy, why mayo?
Mustard.
Daddy?
大力啲 ，Brandon. You can do it. Amazing. Did it, Brandon.
開咗先。
咁你要慢慢放 slowly。
Try to dig a big hole. Brandon, can you dig a big hole? Brandon, 拉高啲，拉高啲 ，pull.
Yeah. A box.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Did it.
Yeah. Oh, you did it.
Hold on.
Yay, good one. Now we've got these, we can drive these somewhere. Yeah, but then you go like this. Oh, one more then. One more then.
Push.
Over there. Lift it up. Yeah. 另一邊。
另一邊 pull up the left side, pull it. Another side. You dig a hole and find the treasure down there. Yes. Brandon, good job. Well done. Put more. Wow, amazing. Good job. Keep doing it. You can do it.
It's a mission.
It's a mission, yes. Go, keep digging. Don't stop. Yes. You can, Brandon, you can step on it. Step. Yes, yes. The power of your leg. Good job. Yes. Just one leg is okay. One leg is okay. Okay, okay, dig. 不去上嚟，不去上嚟。Good job. Brandon, take it from here. From here. It's easier here. There's more dirt. More dirt here. Yeah, come on, take it, take it, take it. Dig it this hole. Maybe there's some treasure down there. Yeah, maybe there's some treasure down there. Brandon, dig it. Under your feet. There's some treasure. I can feel it. Dig it. Dig a hole. There's some treasure. Dig a big hole. No. Dig a big hole first. Dig a big hole. Use your leg. Yes, well done. And then try to dig it. Good job. Chop. Go chop 嗰下咧。要chop 啊，Brandon。Okay. Okay. Do you want to use this one? Do you want to use this one? Let's chop. Come on, chop. Wow, very good. So nice. Chop. It's almost through. Our mission almost complete. We take a big another way to dig. You see? Chop. Wow, that's a big one. You see? That's a big one.
Daddy, put it down here.
Use your leg power. Come on. Your leg power. What are you doing?
整翻實佢啊！
Okay, cutting it. Okay. That's it. Finish. Use your leg power, right, Daddy? Leg power. Wow, that's a big one. Wow. You see?
Daddy.
Oh. Okay.
No, this one.
Okay. You did. You got it. Brandon, is that full now? Can we bring it there? Can we bring the dust there and dump it?
But still.
Okay, keep digging.
Keep digging. Okay. Show me how you did. Come on. Chop. Is there treasure? Yeah. What did you have? Oh. That treasure. Oh my God. You find treasure. Good job. Wow, Brandon, you got a big dirt. Well done. Yeah?
Stay here.
Okay. Okay, I'll stay here. Thank you, Brandon.
It's so many maintenance.
Maintenance, that's right. Careful. Ooh, that's a big one. Woohoo! Wow, Brandon, amazing. That's a real big one. Okay.
Come here.
Here's a maintenance.
Okay.
Daddy, the car. Can you see the maintenance
Yes.
and the wheelbarrow?
Yes.
Daddy, don't. Can you say Daddy, don't come here?
Don't come here.
Okay.
Don't come here.
Okay. Step back. Step back.
Give me some space.
Daddy didn't listen.
It's okay. Keep taking consumption. Yeah.
Yes.
This way.
Come on. Go to the tree. Quick.
No. I need to get more soil.
It's enough.
I need more.
Okay, 一陣先摸下啦。因為咧好重啊，the wheelbarrow is very heavy on it. It's too balance. Balance 到晒喎。
No more the tree, no more soil. Oh, the animals.
Yes. The tree needs some soil. Let's go get some soil for the tree.
Daddy, now you can go this way.
Okay.
We go there first.
Daddy, now you can go this way.
Okay. I'm going that way.
I can explain to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Brendan，倒落去個 tree 度啊！快啲倒落去啊！
No, I didn't want to.
咁點啊？
I need to pick up more soil.
仲可能冇太多唔得嘅喎。唔使封晒㗎，封晒會冧㗎。
係啊，樹嗰棵樹，意思樹要 soil 喎，你有冇倒俾樹啊？
倒落去先，倒落去。
倒落去啊
Yeah, flip it. Yeah.
！Good
Yeah.
job.
Good job.
Well done, Brandon. Go. Do you want to dig some more?
Then you
Go
to
back.
dig.
Go back. Dig some more.
Can you use that?
Yes.
Don't like that. Don't always like that. I told you.
Yeah. Let's go.
We got to take our mission.
Yes.
Come on, listen.
Let's go to the main.
Okay. Okay. I'm not taking picture. I'm really recording.
No.
Okay.
I didn't want to take a picture of the main.
Okay. I'm not taking picture. I'm just taking a look. Okay 啦，You do your work. The little baby can't do the big boy job. Are you a big boy or little baby? Yeah, that's why. Oh, mommy got so many. Brandon, how many do you got? A little bit. Not bad. Good job. So many. You can do it. Give it to the big tree. Almost done. Yeah. Okay, the tree needs soil. Give this soil. Well done. 仲有少少啊，仲有少少喺車度啊，未倒晒啊，倒埋呢啲啊 ，Brandon， 仲有呢啲啊，未倒晒，倒晒係啊。
但係一定要煲煲湯㗎。
係你倒晒啲 dirt 啲嗰啲 soil 先啦。Good job. Well done. Brandon. Finish. Okay, a mission completed. Where's my hair? Where's my hair? And my shoes? Where's my shoes? Oh, where's my trousers? Where's my trousers? I can't see it. I'm not wearing anything. Can you? No, I'm not a girl. I'm a boy.
It's a dress.
Brandon, where's my nose?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like Daddy. Yeah. Where's little Brandon?
Can you draw Brandon?
I'm holding Brandon. Oh yes, very small, a little baby. Oh, this is little Brandon. What about mommy? What about mommy? Where's mommy? Where's mommy?
Is your mommy?
Why mommy is so small, so little? Oh, she's at the back. What's mommy doing? Climbing. Climb on daddy? Oh.
How about you drop Bill Jack here? Down there.
Drop Bill Jack, Bill Jack. I want to see Bill Jack face. Bill Jack face. Is Bill Jack ugly or is it Bill Jack beautiful? Brandon, tell me, is it Bill Jack ugly or Bill Jack beautiful? Really? Oh, it looks quite beautiful. Oh, what's that ear? Is that an ear? Rabbit ear? Is Bill Jack a rabbit?
No.
What's that?
It is the hair.
Oh, it's the hair. Okay. Can you draw more hair? Why just two hair? Oh. Okay, it's lovely.
It's inside Daddy.
Inside Daddy, yes. So sorry. Oh, you draw very well. I like your picture. Let's take a look of your picture. So, Brandon, look.
Oi.
This is Daddy.
Daddy is in Africa. Brandon is in Asia. And Peter is in Great China. And Mommy is in Kenya.
It's a great China, Kenya.
And then Mommy is in China.
China again. Why everyone's in China? We're in UK, okay? Or Hong Kong. Can we be in Hong Kong? Yeah. UK, yes, we're in UK.
Africa.
Where do you want to be?
I need Buffett and Beauty and Brandon live in Africa.
Do you know?
To see bird.
How you want to see birds in Africa? Okay, no problem. Hãy畫啲畫幾靚。 Yeah, we're going that way. No, we're going to follow the footpath, remember? Footpath. 係啊。
行啦 ，Brandon 行啦。
係 Grumpy 啊，快啲啦。Because you're too slow.
Yes, keep moving. You need to keep smooth. You see smooth.
Don't stop, keep moving. Yeah. Okay. Slowly.
All right, then slowly.
Okay. Yeah.
Slower.
Yeah, slower. Fire inside. 哇！兩個喺度，一個踩 scooter，一個踩單車喎。啊！好快啊，攞 B， 追唔追到媽媽？加油 ，Brandon！ 加油！追媽媽！加油！哇！踩得好快啊 ，Brandon！ Woohoo! Well done.你去沙灘，你踩去沙灘仔，你唔好理佢。我睇住你踩去沙灘仔。Oh, so fast. Very fast, Brandon. Well done. Let's go. Keep going.
Daddy.
Don't stop. Okay, take back your bike. You're almost there. You see? You see the orange chair? Can we go to the orange chair? Em phải tổ. Come here, sit down. Chờ mổ á, chờ mổ. Chờ陣先，休息下先。
有冇餸啊？我哋要而家食嘢。
呢個唔得㗎，呢個 spicy。
呢個 spicy 㗎。I give you one, wait。
唔得㗎，會近。
No， 唔得嘅。咪少少啲好細粒 OK 嘅。
食咗啦。
野餐。
OK，我俾你坐。你嗰啲都係 chips 咯。It's just fun. What to say?冇啊。整好咗係啊！
坐啊！
好似見到有隻烏蠅啊！
可以有咗唔睇？你唔食啊？你坐咗先啦先。
坐咗先，我要熱洗晒啲。
係啊，得啦，挨住啦，挨住啦。係。啱上8分。開翻個鎖俾我睇。
不如出發，而家出發啦。哦。
And elsewhere the bank.
I'm sorry I wasn't there. But I am rather glad that I was here, waiting for you.
Thank you for waiting for me.
It's always a sunny day when Christopher Robin comes to play.
I'm so sure about that.
哥哥係咁樣。
Of course you are.
Boy.
You are a friend.
He is the boy. He
Look
grew
at how
up.
you saved everybody
Why he
today.
grow up?
Everyone grew up. He is the boy. He is Christopher
You're
Robin.
I'm lost.
What I found.
What's his crystal
Today.
woman?
Yes, he grew up.
What's he grow up?
Yes, he's a little boy. Christopher Robin.